Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're taking a look at a stack of source material that analyzes the marketing claims around a single product, the Cleraux Brown Fat Extract Nano Micro Needle Patch. Our mission here is really just about consumer transparency. We want to unpack these claims neutrally, focusing on the science and, the labeling accuracy.
And that neutrality is so important. We have to stress, especially with products like this that touch on biology.
Yeah.
This is purely educational commentary. It is absolutely not medical advice.
Exactly. So the real question for you listening is this. When a product uses really technical, scientific sounding language, how high should the bar be for published, verifiable evidence? Okay, let's unpack this. The makers of this patch, they list just a remarkably broad set of claims.
It's a huge list.
Yeah, it's things like balancing blood sugar, improving liver health, boosting energy, and then, of course, the big ones. Activating brown fat, triggering UCP1 thermogenesis, even extracting fat metabolites.
That is a huge biological workload for one small patch.
It really is.
It is. And, when you start throwing around terms like UCP1-driven thermogenesis, you're touching on the cutting edge of metabolic science.
Okay, what is that exactly?
So UCP1, or uncoupling protein 1, is basically the engine inside brown fat cells. It lets them burn calories to generate heat instead of storing energy.
So the more specific and, technical the language, I saw nanomicroneedle brown fat activation, the higher the expectation for actual proof should be.
Precisely, yeah. To support a mechanism that specific, the standard for consumer confidence would be published peer-reviewed clinical studies. You'd need to see studies that confirm the product actually does this in humans.
And this brings us to the promised outcomes, which this is where it gets really staggering. Our sources note claims that users could lose 50 to over 130 pounds.
In just a few weeks.
In a few weeks. I mean, 130 pounds, that's like losing an entire person in a month or two.
That scale of rapid weight reduction is, well, it's biologically extraordinary. Yeah. We have to note that there is a complete absence of published medical evidence supporting that kind of outcome from a skin patch.
Right.
If those results were achievable, it'd be a revolution in medicine.
Okay, so here's where it gets really fascinating, from a marketing angle at least. The product's own proof. They claim the patch changes color and that this visually shows brown fat is being burned. What's the scientific reality behind a claim like that?
Well, what's fascinating here is the physical reality of it. Brown fat isn't on your skin. It's deep inside the body, around the neck, collarbone, along the spine.
Okay.
So even if the patch did activate it, the process is internal. It wouldn't produce some visible byproduct that could, seep out and change the color of a patch.
Right, that visual proof element.
Yeah.
It would need some significant scientific justification.
Justification that we just don't see.
And that brings us to the marketing style, this jump from highly technical language to a physically questionable visual cue. The product's promotion also brings up mitigating some very serious health issues. It references things like cancer, liver failure, heart disease.
And that's a critical red flag for transparency. When you start using the fear of serious illness to sell a cosmetic or a supplement patch, that warrants scrutiny.
Sure.
And this raises another point about the reviews. On the company's own website, you find a lot of glowing, very similarly worded reviews. But that's in sharp contrast to what we found, or rather didn't find, an absence of verified independent reviews on trusted third-party sites. Consumers should always, be aware of where testimonials are coming from.
Okay, so let's tie this all together. What does this analysis mean?
I think at the end of the day, our analysis shows a pattern. The Cleraux patch presents this huge range of benefits using very technical, specific terminology. But the verifiable, published studies supporting the mechanism, the rapid weight loss, and crucially, that visual color change proof.
Yeah.
All those pieces just seem to be missing for a really comprehensive consumer evaluation.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you to consider. Where is that line where technical-sounding language stops providing context and starts substituting for actual evidence? And it also makes you wonder, given the real potential of UCP1 activation, what are legitimate researchers working on right now to achieve these things? And how different does their approach look from a sticker you buy online? Definitely something to mull over.